On to Retail Extension and Refurbishment Project, which is sponsored by CFE. I'd like to invite up back to the stage Bruno Lambrecht to give this award away.
And here are the nominees.
Okay, Christopher, I can see you're getting some work thrown at you here.
So here are the nominees. Auchan Hetmańska Shopping Center in Auchan, Poland. Centrum Chodov, Unibail-Rodamco, Czech Republic. ETC Swarzędz, Capital Park, Poland. Fashion Street, Immobilia, Hungary. Galaxy Shopping Center, EPP, Poland. Outlet Park, Szczecin, Phase 3, EPP, Poland.
So Christopher, thank you for supporting our event once again and sponsoring this category.
It's our pleasure. Thank you. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm so nervous. So, the best retail extension refurbishment project is Centrum Chodov, Unibail-Rodamco, Czech Republic.
Congratulations. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Hello everybody, that's a lot of award for us tonight, but it's true that 2017 was a great year, was a very intense year. Actually only one thanks, it's to our tenants, which is, the relation with our tenants is our best asset, and the trust of our tenants is the best asset. Thank you all, bye, good evening.
Thank you.
Congratulations, come join us over here for a
Please, photo.